Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by unlocking and adjusting the taskbar so it can move freely. Right-click the taskbar, turn off small buttons, then add an empty toolbar or create a spacer file. This gives you a movable anchor. Pin only the apps you want centered and remove extras so spacing is predictable. Once done, drag the new toolbar handle toward the center. Make sure the pinned app group is left of the spacer to prepare for precise alignment. Now you'll make the actual spacer that forces icons to the middle. Create a new folder or use a blank toolbar, then add it to the taskbar as a toolbar. Once added, drag its vertical handle so your pinned apps shift into the center. If one spacer isn't enough, add a second and fine-tune spacing. Make small adjustments while observing other screens. Lock the taskbar briefly to see how the centered layout holds under real use, and then unlock to tweak further. Finish by locking the taskbar and testing common actions. Open apps, resize Windows, Alt-Tab, so the centered group remains stable. If icons shift or snap back, unpin and repin the apps, recreate the spacer folder, or reset taskbar settings. Scaling or display changes often cause movement. For multiple monitors, repeat this process on each taskbar, or consider a lightweight third-party utility designed for centered taskbars if you want automatic, robust centering across different resolutions and layouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.